update just to show you that every day on the road isn't all sunny and sunshine and flowers. This is our view today. It is just raining non-stop. But first, let's rewind the clock and see what the last few days have been like. Okay, we woke up this morning and every morning isn't sunshine and roses. If you have a look out here, it is a bit drizzly and wet this morning. But luckily I had looked at the weather before we came here because we've got no internet here, and I saw that it was going to be raining, so we packed up all the kitchen and that last night just in case, and so now we've just got the van. But it is so nice that somebody is still snuggling in bed. But look at the view. Even though it's raining, what a beautiful view out the bedroom window. That is very nice, and one of the reasons that we like travelling. Hey Cain. Morning, Cain.
Oh, morning everybody. Okay, we're back. Tear Falls today. Not going to do the Tear Falls walk, the 5 kilometre one, but we're just going to go down and look at the falls, which is about 650 metres.
Okay, bets are, can we actually see anything? This fog is thick.
Yeah, and as usual, you always walk down to look at the falls, and then I got to bust ass to get back up the hill. Good for the heart though. Whew, getting it nice and strong.
Whoops, Cain left the time lapse on, but check out how much the clouds are lifting just so we can see the waterfall.
Oh, look here.
Just heading down the Oxley Highway. Cain's doing a great job. There's no way in hell I'd be driving.
It's a nice, slow, long descent. Not like up to Dorrigo where it was quite steep and really sharp. But it's a long, slow descent, so. Okay, we got off the mountain, okay, 40 odd kilometres of hard brake working. The brakes were smelling pretty tough, so we've decided to stay at Ellenboro Reserve. And it's a nice little waterhole here.
A bit big for our rock collection, hey Cain? Got one of them. He's still searching.
Oh, skimmy. Oh, that's a bit skimmy. A funny sort of rock.
There's one in my toe too. That's sucky rock.
I have found the boomerang of skimmy rock. So we ready?
The boomerang, is it going to come back?
Watch up this river.
Okay,
that is a skimmy at its best.
Okay, we're just chilling at the Ellenboro Reserve. We're pretty lucky. We got here and it wasn't raining, and it's only just started, so it's about 4 o'clock and it's only just started. But it's meant to be raining around this area for the next week. So we'll see how we go. At the moment, there's no wind or anything like that, so we can have our awnings up so we can actually sit outside. And it's been a bit of a catch up on phones and social media type of afternoon because we had no reception last night. We are so lazy. It is cold outside and we had a pretty good lunch and we're hungry. We don't want to go outside. We do have some stuff inside, but not really what I wanted to eat. Can you just come and
can we have delivery?
Deliver to our door, please? Like, can you see that? It's cold and it's wet. Can you feel that cold? No, it's much nicer in here. Okay, someone brave went out the rain and got tea. We are really being slack. Like literally strawberries, crackers, cheese, salami, a carrot because I'm being healthy. He's eating rice crackers. Rice crackers plain? Really? It is just raining non-stop. I'm really trying to get out to the car to get some food out of the car, but it just won't ease off at the moment, and I don't really want to get wet. But so we're just standing around under the awning, watching the rain. So what do we do on a cold and wet rainy day that we can't go anywhere?
Bacon and eggs and a cup of coffee.
How yum is that? Hot bacon and eggs, and we're nice and dry over here. Okay, we're leaving Ellenboro Reserve. It is still raining. It looked like it was fining up this morning, and as we started to pack up, of course, down came the rain.
It always happens.
Like seriously, are you kidding? So yeah, we're off to find dry ground.
Nah, that'll be probably a week away.
Macquarie, we checked out the lighthouse there, which is pretty cool. It's very much on top of a windy hill, and today it is gale force winds in Port Macquarie.
Oh yeah, it's blowing.
Oh, check this out. It is so hard to even keep your eyes open. It is so windy. My eyes are just shutting. We had some sunshine, and now we've got full-on rain again and wind, because this is full-on weather again. I don't know where we're going to camp tonight.
In a rainy spot. I'll make a prediction. It'll be a rainy spot.
After a rainy few days, we have pulled up and it's windy, but it's not raining. Where are we at, Cain?
We are at, God damn it, Seal Rock at the National Park, just down from Seal Rock.
Yagong or something like that?
Yeah, Yagoon, Yagan, something, I don't know the name, but it's a very nice little national park. Nice little road in, and well, we're stopping here. The wind is a bit sheltered here. It's definitely windy up at the Lookout Surfs Lookout and on the beach.
Come check out the sunset with me. We can actually see a sunset today. Check that out. That is camping, Barry. That is camping. Well, so much for having a nice quiet night with the rain and the wind gone. It was blowing an absolute gale last night, but our awning did a great job. And rain, we still got, it thundered down this morning, and then I come out and look at that, we've actually got some sun and blue sky. That is pretty cool, but tell you, it's scared off all our fellow campers because we are by ourselves now. But this is all to us. So the weather looks nice today. So we're going to brave it, and we're going to try and use our e-bikes and ride up to check out Seals Rock's lighthouse. Hopefully we get there.
The e-tourer got to Seal Rock's lighthouse.
We're at Seals Rock Lighthouse, and it has been a windy, wet ride to get here.
Typical lighthouse day.
Look at that though. I think we're about to get hit again. Look at that. You can see it coming. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming to get us. Hey, going up the stairs of the lighthouse. Oh my God.
There's rocks out there, are there? They call this Seals Rocks because there used to be a colony of seals that lived here, but they're long gone.
Oh, that's a shame. Did they kill them?
No, they just disappeared. They left. It was like this. It's just bloody miserable, so they left. Now we're at the Sugarloaf Point Lighthouse, which is Seal Rocks. The Seal Rocks are off the end there. But if you come here and have a look, make sure you get down and check out the seal blowholes, I believe they call it. Awesome. I could sit here all day and look at these blowholes and that, because water thumps through, splashes, and I can see the lighthouse just up above me. Awesome. So if you're gonna look at the lighthouse, look at the blowholes.
We hope you've enjoyed this episode and watched nature try and throw everything at us. We would love it if you would like, subscribe, and just follow us along on our journey. Catch you next week. Out our bedroom window. Out. That was my head.
I'm not going to do the tears falls for freak me. Jesus.
Are you right now? Are you ready?
We're
It's
not.
a little drizzly, so I've put its raincoat on. Got a raincoat on my camera bag. All good camera people would protect their equipment.
Professional camera people, because we're professional hikers now, because this is our 4th one, then we are like right up there with the elites. Mount Everest. I touched the wrong button. It's not my fault. Oh, Stan, you're an idiot. I'm getting B-roll.
We're still recording. Did you even record before? This button is called the turn off button. Yeah. Do you like sausage? Do you like sausage?
Yeah, I love the odd sausage.